One of the things I want my clients to know, I understand what they're going through. I was once a plaintiff. When I was 18, some friends of mine who wanted to go to the SEC championship game in Atlanta. When we were getting near Jacksonville, we slammed directly into a massive Army van that went to make a U-turn and ended up blocking both lanes that we were traveling in. The windshield cracked, smashed the front of my face. I needed 36 staples to the back of my head and over 200 stitches to my face. We were literally going after the United States government. They tried to downplay all of our injuries. Thankfully, my lawyers were able to advocate on my behalf. We were able to get the best outcome possible. If we didn't have a lawyer, we would have gotten absolutely nowhere. It made me realize and really appreciate at a young age that not only is life short, but we have to do the best with our life that we're given and the opportunities that we're given. I feel that God put me here to help others. When I made the decision to go to law school, I wanted to be a personal injury lawyer. I want to represent victims who were harmed due to the negligence of others. That's what I dedicated my career to.
The reason I reached out to Shalhoub Law was because I was working during the hurricane and I had a slip and fall at night. I thought I was going to be okay, but a week later, I ended up having more pain. It was so severe that I ended up having to go to the emergency room. I was off work for 3 months. I have a family, I have bills that I gotta pay, so I figured I should call somebody.
The biggest thing that drives me for my clients is knowing that they came to me in one of their darkest times of need. I need to come through for them. And that fills me with a lot of purpose to fight for them, advocate for them every day that I can, every moment that I can to maximize their result.
Paul is way more reliable than anybody else that I've worked with. Paul would keep me updated. I always felt like that my case was moving forward. He helped me through the deposition, through mediation. He helped me with my doctors. He cared about me after I was getting better. I appreciate everything that he's done for me.
That is my job. I'm gonna help as many people in my community as I can. I know what it's like. That's why I make myself available to all of my clients. One of the things that sets Shalhoub Law apart is perspective. I've been through the injuries. I've worked for the insurance companies. I know every angle to attack to win for my clients. If you're injured, don't go through it alone. Call someone who's been through it and knows how to win.